talk to me? He woke me up. It's in the morning. Oh my god, it's so annoying. Oh my god, he woke me up at 4. He woke me up at 5. He woke me up at 2 o'clock. 6. He do like this. Bug. Yung nakikita niyong white, the white that you saw right now is the chemical that I put on top. It's nice outside. Yeah, what's in here is all like drinks and stuff. And this one I need to clean this, and I need to put it back together. Yeah, I need to clean this, guys. And I'm gonna do mukbang today. Sinigang. I told Tommy about the screen. I told him I want the screen over there. Put it on the ceiling because it's not gonna block the whole thing in the side. Put it down when you want to watch, so it's not gonna just like hanging all the time anyway. And he said, also no, that's what you want? Yeah, because you know what? We cannot use the basement. Ow! Ow!
Every single.
Ow! I know. The bunny is there. These two dogs, it's already almost 9 o'clock, but they don't eat breakfast because I don't put it in the paper plate. So you know what? They need to learn having or using their dish, because you know what? They're being picky and they're gonna get hungry, because if they don't eat, if I put it on the floor and they don't want to eat, I put it on top of the counter back, and then they will realize, oh, I should eat that before. It's, you know, now I'm hungry, I don't have no food. So I will show you that how scammy they are. They want you to feel bad. If they eat already, they're coming here with me and play with me. So now they want you to feel bad for them. Look at them. Now they're probably hungry and they're just like holding it. Misty just hearing me talking and he want to know what I'm doing. Roxy, why you being saddy? You don't eat your din. Yes, the two of you doesn't eat your din. You cannot just look at me like that. You have to come here and beg me for your food. Because if you show me that you don't want to eat your food, then I won't give it to you. Because you're being picky, and that's not a good thing. Did you understand what I'm trying to tell you? Did you understand what I'm trying to tell you? You don't want to. I'm talking to you. Hey, don't close your eyes. Usually you come to me if I talk to you. Hey, don't close your eyes. Hey, nako. Misty's coming. If Misty's gonna come here, Roxy will come. Because she's jealous. Look at it. Come here. Come. Let's see if she will come. Oh, she's going back lying down. Ay, nako, Roxy. You're such not good dog. You're not a good dog. You look funny. Roxy. And I plan to give away here in the US, guys. if I hit, if kung magka 5,000 na ako, because I said this before in my previous vlog, that I will do giveaway if I hit like 5,000 subscribers. But you know, I don't know what to do because you know, I cannot do giveaways into the Philippines. Guys, alam nyo naman, hindi ko nga masinsin yung cellphone sa sister ko. So, dito lang sa United States ako dito lang guys, dito lang sa US yung ano, yung giveaway ko pag magka 500 na ako. Pero isa ito kasi madami isa ito, baka magbigay ako ng dalawa or dalawang, you know, dalawang subscribers na dito sa US basta yun ang gagawin ko, at saka mag-collect na ako ng kung ano pa ang ibigay. So yun ang plano ko lang guys ha. Pero sana abot tayo ng 5,000 tayong lahat para marami naman tayo, di ba? So hindi naman talaga na huge giveaway guys. Ano lang, yung magpasalamat lang ako, pero hindi ko naman lahat kayo mabigyan. Kung meron lang akong pera guys, bigyan ko kayo ng maliit na bagay at saka kayong lahat isa-isa. Pero wala talaga. Sana dalawa ang mabigyan ko giveaways kung magka 5,000 tayo dito. So, yun lang naman ang plano ko guys. Salamat sa inyo ha. So, right now, I'm just gonna wash my face and... Hi guys! I cannot wait. Guys. Tonight guys, is the first, it's a premiere. It's the first day, the first night of the show, the game show, Candy Crush. Everybody loves Candy Crush. Everybody has a Candy Crush on his phone. So right now, I have a Candy Crush on my phone. Hold on, guys. You wanna know what's on my phone, guys? And I'm in a level 600 plus, and I cannot solve it for freaking years. I gave up on that, and then I stopped doing it, and I re-upload because I have a new iPhone. I have a new phone, so I did re-upload that game. You know, and Tammy introduced me with another game, but I want to go back to Candy Crush because I want to solve that. It's been years, guys, that I haven't solved this level, and I will show you. I'm going to show you what... Hold on, guys. My camera is so dirty. So look, this is the new thing. Also, Mario Lopez is in the icon already because of the game show. And then it says let's go, sweet, and play. So there's, for some reason, I cannot do anything with this, guys. Like crazy, shocking thing. Like there's nothing that I can do to solve this problem. It's like the problem is a problem. The problem is a problem, guys. I cannot solve it, and it's crazy. Excited to watch it because I'm a big Candy Crush lover player. You know, I play a lot of this before. Don't do that to me. I'm talking right here and then itch my back, please. What do you want? Don't you talk to me? It's my back. Come here, it's my back. I'm gonna do mukbang. I'm going to film that. And then I'm looking, the tripod is right there, and I'm looking, naka-ispag-ispag ko guys, o naka-sleeves, spaghetti pababa, ng pabubo, ng pababa, ng pabibi, bi. Okay. So, naka-ready na ito guys. Itong look. Ito lang naman ang sagol ko. Ito, taro, onion, and kamatis. Yung tomato. And ito guys. Tignan ko kung merong lata-lata ba. If there's kinda some moshi in there. Pork, of course. I'm gonna cut it in pieces. Pag ma-iron yung buhok ko, guys, if I iron my hair, I like it. But if it's not iron, I don't like it. Look, you can see a lot of shining, shimmering, splendid over here. I'm just gonna leave it there. to tell people that I'm not young. I'm just watching this channel 2 Decades. It's about Reagan and the Statue of Liberty. Relax, relax muna ako. Yes, Rox, you look funny. You look different and funny. Look, Roxy, you look funny, Rox. The other day I started kind of like exercising, doing my leg work on the living room, and then now holy cow, my leg is hurting so bad. And that was yesterday actually I did that, and now my leg is hurting so bad. God, bakit kaya nalilito ako ganito? I'm gonna be here tomorrow. I'm not gonna be in my laptop. That's why I did all this like editing today, the whole thing. Edit. Hello, baby ni mama. What happened? What happened? Oh, come here. I cannot wait to continue your haircut tomorrow when daddy get home here, okay? I love you, baby. I love you, no. I love you, no. You look funny, my baby. I love you, baby. I know. I love you. Don't be jealous. No jealous, Rox. I love you, Mitty. I love my Mitty. I love my Mitty. I love my Mitty. What you should? Let me see if this is still good. Okay, still good. Have that effect. This one, I'll throw this out. This is the margarita that I don't even finish. Still have few here. Okay, there you go. Smells so good. This smells good. It smells really good though. I like it. Hello, Rox. Hello, Rox. Do you want something? What do you want? Do you want some bouncy? Do you want some bouncy, Rox? Where is Dada? Oh my God. Let's go out. Huh? Do you want some treats? Do you want some treats? She's looking at me. She's checking at me right now, guys. Do you want some?
Roxy, what do you want, Roxy?
Okay na? Mama's going to sing, sing, song. For the first time, I'm looking in your eyes. For the first time, I've seen who you are. I can't believe how much I see, and when you're looking back at me, with the picture of your smile. 'Cause every time I close my eyes, you came alive. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. Give it time, just a little more time. We'll be together. After karaoke, I get so excited, exhausted. It's always after karaoke. Every time I do karaoke, and then when I'm done, I kind of exhausted. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching, guys. You will see Tommy tomorrow and my mother-in-law. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Always appreciate it. I will see you tomorrow, guys. Good night. Bye. Bye.